Hello and welcome. Today we have a fantastic fruit to discuss that not only looks exotic but also packs a powerful nutritional punch. We're talking about the vibrant and nutritious dragon fruit. In this episode, we'll dive deep into the health benefits that this unique fruit offers. So let's get started. Before we delve into the health benefits, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with dragon fruit. Also known as pitaya, dragon fruit is a tropical fruit that comes from several species of cactus native to Central America and Southeast Asia. It has a striking appearance with its bright pink or yellow skin and green scales. 1. Rich in antioxidants. One of the outstanding features of dragon fruit is its high antioxidant content. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our bodies against free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage. Dragon fruit contains vitamin C and other antioxidants, which help to strengthen our immune system and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Supports digestive health. Dragon fruit is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber content in dragon fruit aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and prevents constipation. Additionally, it can help improve nutrient absorption and support overall gut health. 3. Boosts hydration and supports skin health. Staying hydrated is essential, and dragon fruit can be a refreshing addition to your diet. The fruit has a high water content, which helps keep your body hydrated. Furthermore, dragon fruit is known to promote healthy skin. It contains beneficial compounds that help combat skin aging, promote collagen production, and maintain skin elasticity. 4. Supports heart health. Dragon fruit is a heart-healthy fruit due to its favorable nutrient composition. It is low in cholesterol and unhealthy fats, making it a great addition to a balanced diet. The fruit also contains monounsaturated fats, which are considered heart-healthy fats. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 5. Potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that dragon fruit may have potential anti-cancer properties. It contains phytochemicals, such as beta-cyanins, that have been shown to exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. While more research is needed, these initial findings are promising. Next time you come across dragon fruit in your local grocery store or farmer's market, give it a try and enjoy both its delightful taste and incredible health benefits. Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay healthy, everyone.